Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from BAIL, Bharat Electronics Limited. So, dear students, when you will go to the official website of bailindia.in, here you can see some recruitment advertisement. But first of all, I will just give you clarification that these advertisements or these recruitments are on the fixed term basis. Okay, so we are having two jobs. First is recruitment of project engineer one for the NSS and CS SBU. Okay, when you will click here, you can see the detailed advertisement, and the last date for applying this is 30th November. Let's check it out. This one. So this is I'm looking here. So this is Bharat Electronics Limited, a Navratna company on India's premier professional electronics company under the Ministry of Defense. They are going to recruit on the temporary basis for its NS S and CS SBU they mention here. So the post is project engineer 1 for the NS. Okay, and this is the post code. Okay, this is the place Bangalore. So they mention here the place of posting Bangalore. Okay, 8 posts are there. What is the requirement? BE Tech full time in electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and telecommunication, electrical and electronics instrumentation are mentioned here. Total number of posts are 8. Category wise it is mentioned here. Okay, and the remuneration it is mentioned in the first year 40,000, second year 45,000, third year 50,000, and fourth year 55,000 they mention here. Okay, so this is on the temporary basis. They will mention how many years they required. So this is one vacancy, means one requirement. A number of posts are 8 here at the Bangalore. Okay, so reservation of post will be mentioned here, and after that yes, so no, the minimum age limit. So age limit is 32 years as on the 1st November 2024. Then yes, you are having some relaxation in the age also according to the government rule. You can check it out this one. Then terms of engagement and allowances. So they mention clearly that this project engineer one will be engaged for an initial period of 3 years, which may be extended up to the maximum of 1 year. So maximum tenure will be 4 years based on the project requirement and individual performance. Candidates will be paid to consolidated, as I told you already, amount 40,000 per month for the first year, then 45 for the second, 50 for the third, and then 55 for the fourth year. Okay, max to max. Then other than this, addition to the remuneration indicated above, a consolidated amount of rupees 12,000 per year will be paid towards reimbursement of expenses like medical insurance, all that one. Okay, what is the qualification required here? To look at here. So this is 4 years full-time BE Tech in the discipline of electronics and communication engineering, electronics, telecommunication. Okay, all these branches are eligible here. Minimum percentage marks is pass class only. Okay, they are not asking about 60%, 65%, pass class only. Post qualification experience, yes, they required this one first of all. So after the engineering, minimum 2 years of post qualification experience in the field of installation and commissioning of electronics, electrical system and integration. This in this project you required minimum 2 year experience. So this is not for the fresher. This specific recruitment is not for the fresher. Okay, if you are having indicated about relevant post qualification, only need to apply. Teaching experience, research work, any other non-profit organization experience is not considering. All right, and here after that, candidate should have experience certificate or documents also. And then what is the selection procedure here? Selection procedure or mode of selection is they will have a written test. Candidates meeting the eligibility criteria, they will call for the written test, which will be of the 85 marks, and then the selection process is there. Minimum qualifying marks in the written test and interviews 35% for the general category, and then you will be selected. So how to apply? They mention the procedure. It's already started filling the form from the 13th November. Last date is 30th November. You can check it out, and it's available on the official website which I show you. Okay, so they mention here for the application you need to pay. The general EWS and OBC candidates are required to pay 472 rupees, 400 plus 18% GST. Okay, application fee should be remitted through the SBI collection. So they mention this one. So please check more details also. Now I'm coming to the second recruitment. Second one is recruitment for the post of fixed term deputy engineer and senior engineer for the radar SBU of Bale Ghaziabad. When you will click here, achha, what is the last date for this specific notification? Last date is 3rd December. So let's check it out. This one also here we are having. So in this this is again fixed tenure basis for a period of 5 years. So this is exactly for the 5 years. And what is the post is mentioned here. Post is mentioned here, senior engineer E3. Okay, B Tech Computer Science, B Tech Electronics. But in this one, minimum work qualification or post qualification is 4 year. In that Bangalore job, this was you are having 2 year, and in this one, 4 year experience is required. Number of posts they mention here, total number of posts, upper age limit mentioned, location of posting is again Bangalore only. Okay, and this I told you the next one here is Odisha, Tamil Nadu. So this for 28 year 211, and here no experience is required. Deputy engineer for the senior engineer, so you required experience, but for the deputy engineer B Tech Computer Science, B Tech Electrical, B Tech Electronics, no work experience required. So freshers can also apply here. Number of vacancies are 5, category wise division mentioned. Maximum age limit is 28 years, dear students. Okay. So for the general category, now then they mention whatever is required qualification is B Tech is required only. Discipline mentioned here. I already covered this thing. Now after that, candidates whose discipline is mentioned here. Okay, okay. Okay, pass is required here. Pay scale. Pay scale is same to same for the senior engineer 50,000 to 1,60,000. For deputy engineer 40,000 to 1,40,000. In addition, they will have some perks allowances, 35% of the basic pay also. So that will be a great amount surely. Job location here for the senior engineer, this is Bangalore, Karnataka. For deputy engineer, this is Chandipur, Odisha, and Salar, Tamil Nadu is mentioned here. Okay, and post of qualification industrial experience for senior engineer required, that you should have these experiences there required. Okay, and job responsibility they mentioned for the deputy engineer. What is the job responsibility? Now method of selection, again selection will be through a written test followed by an interview, as I told you in that previous also. Okay, shortlisted based on their performance in the written test in the ratio 1:7. Written test will be conducted at Bangalore and Bhubaneswar. Candidates have to give their test center preference in application form only. How to apply? They mention here. This is the official website. You can go there and you can just fill the form. Whatever is required, you need to fill and you need to just proceed, bacho. Okay. All right. So application fees they mention here for the fixed term deputy engineer 400 plus 18 472 earlier. For the fixed term senior engineer 472 again here. Candidates belonging to SC ST PWBD categories are exempted from the payment of application fees. Okay. So they mention here what is the procedure. After that you can fill the form and you can just go through with this one. I think they mentioned the last date also here, and if I'm not wrong, so no, it's not mentioned here. Here it is mentioned. So the last date form filling already started from the 12th November. Last date is 3rd December. Dear students, written test or interview they will intimate later. For more details you can just mail on this ID also, and this is the official website. Please check it out. This is the official website. Here you will get the link how to apply. You can see recruitment advertisement. Here they mention instructions also, and apply online also it is mentioned here. Okay, link for online payment of application fee, and in this one also you can see link to apply online. So in this one you can go and you can check, dear students. If you think this is helpful for you, then just check it out the complete details and then fill. Surely it will give you a good experience and surely it will enhance your skills also. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.